press again, it goes off, comes on, goes off, just that. Hello everyone, welcome to Rahim's Automation Lab. On this channel, we build real-world automation projects using microcontrollers like the ESP32. In today's project, I'll show you how to control a relay using an ESP32 and a push button. When we press the button, then the relay goes off, and then when we press it again, it comes on. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss the upcoming automation projects. So the goal of this project is simple. We want to use a push button connected to the ESP32 to control a relay model, and the relay will switch a lamp or any electrical load. So our component needed will be, we need a relay model. This one is a one relay model. Then we need a breadboard. We need some jumper wires, the male to female and the male to male. And then we need an ESP32, an ESP32. And then we need a push button. Yeah, a push button. We need a push button. We will be controlling this lamp using the relay. So now let's start our wiring with our ESP32 and the breadboard, the relay and the push button with our jumper wires. Let's start. So the terminals we'll be using on the ESP32 are GPIO 18 and 4. So now all are located on this side. So we only need one side of the ESP32 terminals to be mounted on the breadboard. Now with the relay, we have three terminals on it, which is the S, the minus, and the plus. So with our jumper wires here, three jumper wires, let's fix it. And then our push button here, let's fix it at the top here. Make sure the terminals crosses to both sides of the line here, like this. So now we are done. So now let's start. One side of the push button go to the GPIO 18 on the ESP32, like this. And then the other side of the push button goes to the ground on the ESP32. So done. Now let's connect our relay here. So now the S, the signal pin on the relay here, goes to the GPIO 4 on the ESP32. And then the positive terminal, which is the plus, goes to the VIN or the 3 volts on the ESP32. And finally, the negative or the minus goes to the ground on the ESP32. So now our circuit is completed. Let's upload our code. Let's run our code on this ESP32 and let's power our ESP32. So now this is our code. Now we run it. Successful. As you can see here, it says press button to toggle relay. So let's press our button and see if the relay clicks. See, the relay is on, and then we'll press it again, it goes off again, comes on, it goes off, which is showing here. So off, on, off, on, and off. So now this is our lamp. The light of the lamp here goes to normally open on the relay. And our live here, which is our power, the live terminal goes to the common on the relay. The neutral of the lamp and the neutral of the power will be connected together like this. Plug our power.
Absolutely.
So now there's a power flowing through this relay terminals. Everything is connected. Let's press our push button here to see if the relay turns on the lamp here. Now it's on, and then we press again, it goes off, comes on, goes off, just that. So that's it for today's project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Abdul Rahim Automation Lab. In the next video, we'll be building more advanced automation systems using ESP32 Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, control our electrical loads, whether motors, pumps, or any electrical load using sensors, relays, buttons, both wireless and wired. So see you in the next